Do you want to be faster in Excel? Okay, maybe not that fast, but if you want to be that fast, then you should watch this video till the end. I put the video in 0.5 speed, so I actually did this twice as fast as we're gonna see here. Let's hit play. I click on the first cell, Control Shift right, Control B, Control U, Control I for the format. I click to put some gray. I hit Control H here to replace February with January. It works in the formula. Right click, I insert a row. I press F4 multiple times to repeat the action. Again, Control Shift right. I copy and paste, Control C, Control V. Hit Control down, that goes down to the bottom of my list. I hit Control K to insert a link to a different tab. I click this link, see if it works. It does work. I go back down, Control Shift right, Control Shift up to select the whole data. I want to undo everything. I press Control Z multiple times. Here we go. You just learned 10 shortcuts in less than 2 minutes. You should watch this video right here if you want to be faster with your formula, if you want to do less errors, and if you want to get better at Excel in general, and also if you want to impress your boss. Click it. It's just right here, right here.